How to fix Telegram login issues. If you are having trouble logging into Telegram, let's walk through a few fixes to get you back into your account. Start by checking if you have entered the correct phone number and verification code. It sounds basic, but sometimes a typo can cause login problem. If you have lost access to the phone number, you can recover your account by using your email or Telegram's account recovery option. If the login screen keeps giving you errors, try restarting the app. This can help clear out any temporary issues preventing you from logging in. If you are on PC, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app if restarting does not work. You can also try checking Telegram's server status. If the servers are down, there's not much you can do except wait for Telegram to fix the issue on their end. You can check this by visiting Telegram's official social media channels or website. Another step is to clear the app's cache. This can remove any stored data that might be causing login issues. Are you still having login issues? Let me know in the comments below. And once you have tried these steps, you should be able to log back into Telegram and access all your chats without any problem. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.